In this video, we're going to show you how to clean a sonic hearing aid. These hearing aids can come in behind the ear or in the ear, and they can be battery-based or rechargeable. Some cleaning supplies that will be needed to clean the hearing aids is a package of filters, a brush, and a cleaning cloth. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to take that cleaning cloth and wipe down that hearing aid. Sometimes oil, dirt, and debris can build up on the device itself, and so we'll want to clean this or wipe this off at least once a week. Next, you'll take your brush, and we want to brush off those microphones. The microphones are located on the back of the hearing aid, so we'll just take our brush and just gently swipe down and across over those microphone covers to remove any dirt and debris from the hearing aid. Next, you can take the other end of your brush. It has a little pick on it. Sometimes wax or oil can build up at the end of your dome, and you'll just take the metal prong and pick out the end of that hearing aid to remove any wax or debris. Now we're going to change out that filter. So to change the filter, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to remove the dome. So we'll hold on to the hearing device, pull the rubber piece off. This white piece right here, that is your filter. So we'll take our package of filters and remove them from the box and remove a black filter stick from the container. There are two sides to this. There's a blank side and the filter. So the blank side is where we're going to put the old filter, and you'll just take it and click it into your current filter that's on the hearing aid, and then gently pull it straight up to remove the filter. You then want to twist and then put your new filter on. The same way, you'll press it down into the hearing aid, and then now you have applied your new filter. Lastly, you want to put your dome back on. So we're going to pick up our dome, turn it around, and then we will place it back on to the hearing aid and make sure that it's on nice and snug. And now you have successfully cleaned your hearing aid.